Alright, Itel just released the Itel P70 about 3 days ago silently, and seeing this device for the first time I was like, nah, I have to show you guys. And it is not available globally yet, but once it is available globally you will definitely see my full review. So here is my first impression of the Itel P70. Starting off with the price, the Itel P70 should cost about $85 to $90, and from the look of things that seems like a good bargain to me, but we are not sure yet. And you know, for this price you cannot expect flagship level or world class hardware. One thing that makes the Itel P70 series stand out so far is the battery, and from the look of things I like what they did with the Itel P70. The phone comes with a 6000 mAh battery, which will pretty much last you the whole day on a single charge. And Itel, as usual, added an additional case that can give you an extra 4000 mAh battery, which extends to 10,000 mAh battery, which sounds pretty nice and futuristic. But Itel devices don't have cooling system or cooling fans in their device, so I am just worried how well it will hold up. Well, I guess we have to wait. Straight to the design and the build quality, which was the first thing I saw physically, and I was like, wow, I really like this design, especially in this purple colorway. Then they brought the camera placement style from the S24 from Samsung to this one, and I would lie, at first glance it does look really similar. I guess everyone is copying Samsung now. It still got that gaming look from the back, but it looks less gamery, if that makes sense. It got matte finish instead of glossy on the P65. All buttons are where you expect them to be. Nothing changes in this category. It is also IP54 dust and splash resistance rated. In summary, 8/10 design and build for me, just looking at it for the first time. For the display, it will probably be the same dimension as the Itel P65, but this will be a little bit brighter, coming at 700 nits peak of brightness. And Itel went ahead and named the display, calling it the sunlight display, claiming it will be usable under direct sunlight, and the screen will still respond even if your hand is oily or it is wet. But I have thought, we have to wait and see. For the chip, the Itel P70 is set to run on the MediaTek Helio G50 chipset, which I think it is decent for the price, and for how it performs we have to wait and see. And the highest RAM variant is 8GB of RAM, and the lowest RAM variant is 4GB of RAM, and of course we have 128GB of storage option and the 256GB of storage option. And as always, you know, go for the higher variant for better experience. But hey, will it be expandable with an SD card? We have to wait and see. The next is the cameras. Itel tricked us. Well, all smartphones at this price range tricking us with 3 rings, 3 camera setup, dual camera setup, but we have just one useful main camera. The camera depth includes a single 13 megapixel rear camera and a single 8 megapixel selfie camera. Video recording is also limited to 1080p, but I'm pretty sure the camera will perform just as expected, and it will give you usable pictures under good lighting condition. And yeah, we will also get 2 nano SIM card slots. We still have an headphone jack, we get a mono speaker setup, and we get a side mounted fingerprint scanner. You know, just the basics, nothing crazy. And yeah, the Itel P70 is set to launch with Android 14 with the normal Itel skin, right? But we don't have any information from Itel about the overall software or software updates. But I'm pretty sure concerning software updates, you should be getting 1 or 2 years of software updates. But what I am most interested is whether Itel will add AI feature or not. Even 1 or 2, I'm really interested in that. And if you are also interested, please make sure you smash that subscribe button so that you not miss the full review where we dive deep into the software. As I have said at the start of the video, it will probably cost around $85 to $90 with the charging case inclusive. We are not sure about that yet. But hey, let me know what you want to know or what you want to see in my full review about the Itel P70. And let me know what you think about this device at first glance. Again and again, don't forget to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button to support us. And thanks for watching. And as always, love, peace, and peace. Signing out.